Hi guys, it's me. My hair looks weird. Don't judge. Oh my gosh, don't judge. Black Lives Matter. Yeah. Now, that is my bean. Looks really weird. Purple, fluffy. Yeah. That's my closet, whatever. Okay. So, today we are going to be opening the wonderful, the beautiful Polly Pocket. So, this is the packaging. There's ugly ass freaking Polly there, and there's ugly ass Polly in real life. And then she has a lemonade stand. She has some breadsticks. You know, she has a little toilet with a cat in it. Very mistress, you know. And then that's a cash register, some potatoes, and it's basically a food. Oh no, that's not a toilet. That's a basket. Okay. The back is Twins Umm I. Okay, no, I can't be bothered reading that. So let's start. Satisfying peel until I rip it in half. Oh. Haha. Now, you see some tape? Oh, these is fallen. Okay. First we got the little Polly. Now these have feet that are, I've had one of these before, they're really cool. Never had one this big. And then here, got a little keychain so you can hang it on your bag, which I am, for school. The big, the mighty. No, okay. Well, okay. So, the front of it looks like this, and it says Polly Pocket. I had an old one. They've changed so much. That was cringy. Okay. And then here's the basket, not the toilet. Flips down. And then peekaboo, it's a dog. No, it's a cat. That is weird. Okay. Ow, floorboards are really creaky. Okay. Stop being cringy and start being myself. Okay. So we got that, you know. And then here, lemonade stand goes like that. My teeth are actually really beautiful. Okay. This cringy. Look what I just did. No, it's meant to go like that. Oh. That's cool. So you know how Polly Pockets always have that one piece that comes out? Okay, so you go like that, and then you go, and then you lift that out. And when you push down, that happens, and then that snaps in like that. Well, it doesn't really snap in, but it holds in place. And then this is a little table hut. Then you can go like that. You can go like that. It can be like little Polly. Like, I died. So this is us around here. Yeah, and obviously her feet stick and she can hang upside down. Let's get some breadsticks. Yeah. Look at this. I'm a magician. Oh! I'm having too much fun with these kid toys. She's a dancer. Wow. come on, you're gonna go to the store. It clicks like that, and then you go like this, and that's stuck, and then like that. It smells. And then you lock it, and then you go. Jeez, these are really hard kid toys. Jeez, if I was little and I really loved Polly Pockets, I'd be sad that I could not even do anything. Anyways, and then locks like that. And oh well, it's full of new imagination. Okay. I'm just gonna pretend like Polly's pooping on the toilet / basket. Ready? Do. Oh, I need to poop. Can I just poop? Yes, sorry, yeah. Oh, owie. Dr. Science, yeah. You need to have bad poopy issues. Remember kids used to do that? That was hilarious. In class. Okay. That's a Polly Pocket. When you're finished playing with it, go like that. Then travel to school with it. Maybe, put it in your hair. Just like this. Go like this. Go like that. And then, I'm a real Polly Pocket fan. Sometimes Polly Pocket fans have to have it everywhere. Polly Pocket's gonna die. Why is the Polly Pocket not coming off? Is this gonna be scary? Okay. I dare the Polly. Come on, come off. Come on, come off. Classic. And then you just go, oh, new word. Or, you could be your boy, have an annoying keychain on your hand all day in school. Or, if you have like a watch or something, you could just go like this. Okay, cringy. I think that's it for today, guys. It was a lovely video, funny video, and hope I see you really soon. Just cleaning out, I have my Polly Pocket in my pocket, and I don't have a pocket. And I do have butt pockets. Alright, well, see you guys soon. My next video. Polly dead. Okay, see you guys in I'm red. Oh no, it's just blush. In my next vid where I show you how I do my nice blush tutorial, my lipstick, and that's it. It's only gonna be like a 2-minute video. So yeah, see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I see you again, guys, later. So peace, love, and Wi-Fi, and see you guys soon. Bye.